I felt you in my legs before I ever met you. And when I lay beside you for the first time, I told you I feel you in my heart and I don't even know you. And now we say bye, bye, bye. And now we say bye, bye, bye. I was 19, calling. I felt you in my life.